feeling I get
Tagal.
when I look in your eyes and you're
Ano ka
staring
dyan?
Oh, I treasure good moments like that.
A month. 5 years. Yes, 5 years. Kaya nga napaisip ako, tama ba? Basta 2020 kami. 2020 kami naging kami.
Start kami pandemic.
Pandemic, Bumble. may true love sa Bumble.
If you ask me what love is and what it's about, to be honest, I'm still figuring it out. If I could
Hindi
be
ko
candid
inhala na yung
and tell you
na
the
swipe
truth,
right ko during lockdown ay magiging
I'd love
down
to
for
figure
forever with
love
you
out
pala.
with you.
Put Christ in the center of your relationship, love, respect, and love one another.
Wow.
Anchor it with prayers, and above all, have faith in God.
Thank you, Gila.
Wish you all
Ay, wow!
joyful marriage life and plenteous blessings to receive from above.
Wow.
When we feel the weight of 100 small heartbreaks, to talk it out instead of parting ways. So if you ask me what love is and what it's about, to be honest, I'm still figuring it out. If I could be candid and tell you the truth, I just wanna figure love out with you. It's when you hold my hand and assure me. It's when you tell me things that you'd never tell anyone else. I'm discovering things I never knew before. Love is all these and more.
Jumas and Jasmine. Ngayong araw ay tatanggapin ninyo ang sakramento na kung saan kayo ay pinag-isa sa pagmamahal ng Diyos. Ang pagmamahal ni Kristo sa inyo. Ito yung pinagsaluhan ninyong pagmamahalan. Ay galing yan sa Panginoong Hesus. Na sa sakramento na inyong tatanggapin mamaya, kayo ay magiging isa sa Kanya.
Mami Allison, my best friend. We met during one of the toughest times our generation has ever faced. But somehow it turned that COVID era into something meaningful, memorable, and even a little fun.
Para timeless classic. Thank you! Ito yung pinotoshoot. Me! Talaga?
Ayaw kasi green.
Nung una, boyfriend-girlfriend mo na. Tapos, naisipan sabi niya, gusto ko mag-start ng business. Start tayo. So, yun. Hanap kami supplier. Punta kami ng Quiapo, Binondo. Hanap kami. Tapos, konting lang, small lang talaga una. Mga stickers. Hanggang lumaki lang siya. Dahil siya, isipag din kasi siya sali ng mga grants.
Will help us follow your plan.
Sinong kamukha?
I can't
Hello, ano yan? What's this? Ay, Job. Sabi niya walang gift. Tapos may pag-gift. Ganda. Always me plus you. Me plus you, me and you. Parang buong duration ng relationship. No, naka-face mask pa. Sabi mo walang gift. Wala tuloy akong gift. Kaya pala ang tagal mo tinatapos yung AVP natin kasi iba pala yung tinatapos. Yun lang. Thank you. Kilig.
Mamaya, alam mo na, Char.
way that God intended for us.
Jumas and Jasmine, tandaan ninyo itong tatlong P na sa pagsasama ninyo, magagamit at ito'y gabay sa inyo. Na sa pagsasama bilang mag-asawa, napaka-importante nakasintro kayo sa panalangin. Ng bawat plano ninyo sa pagpapalago ng inyong buhay, sa pagsisimula ninyo sa pagbuo ng pamilya, napaka-importante mga bagay na inyong gagawin na naway ipanalangin ninyo ito na naaayon sana ito sa kalooban ng Diyos.
My love story was nothing out of the ordinary. It's unique, it's true, and it's ours. Thank you for taking a chance on me. Thank you for accepting me as I am.
Understand it, but I see me holding your hand. Here we
Thank you for
are,
stepping up for us, and thank you for being the best partner and tatay we could ever ask. Ngayon, kasal na tayo, ang kasama at katuwang ka sa buhay ang ipapangako ko araw-araw.
Bilang mag-asawa, ito ang inyong maihandog sa Kanya pabalik sa Kanyang pagmamahal at pagiging tapat sa inyo. Ang katapatan ng inyong vow na pinagsaluhan ngayon. Ang pagpapakasal ninyo at pagiging isa sa Kanya.
Panalangin ko at hindi papaya.
Tayong dalawa hanggang sa pagtanda. I vow to keep knowing you and understanding you. You taught me that we may have differences, and it made me realize that these differences make us who we are. And I love who you are. That's why I'm ready to embrace all of you.
Halaga sa tamis na dulot ng pag-ibig nating dalawa. At sana naman ay nakikinig ka kapag aking sasabihin, minamahal kita.
We learn to offer our sacrifices, nagiging redemptive sacrifices ito. At we offer our pain, our problems ni Kristo na kung saan nakatayubay sa krus. Dito natin mabigyan ng kapuluhan ang pagsasama ninyo.
You make me a better person, day by day. And I love that I can share all my random thoughts, dreams, and nonsense with you. And you still choose me every time.
I vow to be the first to celebrate your joys, from your passion for your craft, our wins at work, hanggang sa excitement mo sa pagbubukas ng new toys and future concert tickets mo. I'll be there, smiling and supporting you. Lalo na pag nakita ko yung smile mo.
Ang pag-ibig nating dalawa. At sana naman ay nakikinig ka kapag aking sasabihin, minamahal kita.
I promise to love you more each day, support your dreams, and be your constant companion as we laugh, grow, and journey through life together.
Amen.
Amen.
Finally, I vow to love you unconditionally sa lahat ng seasons ng buhay, lahat ng changes, lahat ng challenges, and blessings. Tayong dalawa ang magkasama. I love you, God. Amen.
Wala nang iba pang mas mahalaga sa tamis na dulo